it's Taylor from the Taylor J Show. So I have another video, and I am showing you my snack box from Try the World. My fat ass is like, Okay, anyways, so, alright, so here is the snack box from Try the World. This is the pamphlet thing that it came in. Of course, I kind of undid it so that it wouldn't take me that long, because I am filming myself, and I don't feel like getting my thing to put the phone on to help me film, so there you go. Okay, so the thing says snack box, Try the World, a monthly delivery of gourmet treats from around the world. This is your first snack box by Try the World. Inside your box, you'll find a curated selection of our favorite treats from around the globe. We're thrilled to have you with us. And it says your account. Log on to www.trytheworld.com to access your account. If you have any questions, please contact us at hello@trytheworld.com. So here are the product keys. Let me get down on it. All natural or organic, traditional recipe, family business, sustainably grown, supports local community. So this is like right up my alley. Okay, y'all, so this is what's in the box. I have mulberry green tea coconut crispy rolls, virgin cocoa from Thailand. So that's that one. Frutiva, and these are passion fruit covered apples. That sounds delicious. Marshmallow popcorn from Pop Notch from the United Kingdom. Plantain chips with Pacific sea salt, Samal from Ecuador. Double chocolate crisp, Jilly sweet from Sweden. Okay, now here we go. Alright, so here are the Frutiva dehydrated apples, apple bites covered in passion fruit. And it's natural, gluten-free, zero cholesterol, zero trans fat, less than 95 cal per serving. This is the side of it. You can put it on yogurt, ice cream, dessert, cereal, fruit, salad. Okay. Here are the plantain chips by Samal. Got a little guy holding the plantains. They are gluten-free, non-GMO, zero trans fat. And that K on there, I forgot what that is. These are vegetarian. You can find them on Facebook. Samal Snacks. Next, I want to eat these because I love apples. Okay. Marshmallow popcorn. Yummy. Look what it says on the side, y'all. Fluffy bunnies. I wanted to do that challenge, but I never did get a chance to. Less than 85 calories per serving. Does have added sugar. Me and my baby gonna be snacking on these. By the way, my daughter Honey, her birthday is on the 29th. She will be 6 years old. So happy pre-birthday, Honey Bunny. Love you, baby. I know she's gonna, cause I'll be showing her some of my stuff. So I know she's gonna see it. Okay, virgin cocoa, coconut crispy rolls and a mulberry green tea. And this is a product of Thailand. Looks delicious. So this is what it says. And this is what it has in it. Those are the ingredients. And it tells you how to store it. Last but certainly not least, my favorite thing is chocolate. So here's the jelly. It says for good cookies, double chocolate crisp. I know these are gonna be slamming, I bet, because any chocolate I've had from Sweden has always been delicious. And 2 oat crisp with a delicious chocolate filling. That's what they look like. These are the nutrition facts. So for 2 cookies, there are 190 calories. I mean, I'm just trying them out, so I'm not, plus I'm getting ready to do a little diet, so I'm not gonna trip off of that. I want to try them, so I ain't making no excuses. I'm going to tear them up. Okay. And then this is what the inside of the box says. Hungry for more? Visit the shop at trytheworld.com/ESHOPE shop. Okay, love. Well, it's been real. I enjoy showing my things to you guys, different things that I try. Continue to keep me in your prayers. Thank you for everything. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. And I will be back on a little bit later, hopefully. And remember, no weapon formed against you shall what? Prosper. Talk to you guys soon. Love you. Yeah.